What is going on, guys? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another opportunity for you guys. Man, another red day for VYNE Therapeutics, ticker symbol VYNE. But what does that mean for us? Another buying opportunity. Remember, as always, my channel and my videos are not for financial advice. It is for entertainment purposes only. But guys, what am I doing with VYNE? I bought in originally at $2.68 a share, and that is my average cost basis as of right now. But guys, I think it is time to average down. We are seeing numbers under 264, and to me, that is what I call a buying opportunity. VYNE Therapeutics, we know what's been happening, right? We saw it at the 52-week high just this year, peaked around $5.50 a share. And today, there was an announcement that the company made that they're doing a reverse stock split. Now, we're going to get into it. Before I do so, I want to give a shout out to all the new Patreon members. Man, you guys are just showing so much love and support. So thank you to AdSlam, AJ, you know who you are, Thavi, Charles, Mark, Chaley, and Malcolm. I appreciate every single one of you. I know you're all in the Discord. We're at 19 Patreon members now. So guys, if you haven't already, please join us on the Patreon. Again, that's just to support the channel. And I appreciate every single one of you. And also, feel free to join the free Discord. I'll put the link in the description below. Completely free. I opened it as a community for everyone to talk all things stocks. I know a lot of YouTubers create private Discords that they charge people for, and I don't believe in that. And I think we should all be able to have dynamics with people who are like-minded, and that is what the Discord is for. So please join us on the free Discord, and also use the Webull link below if you do want to get 4 free stocks when you deposit $100 and want to start trading in the pre-market and aftermarket. Let's get right into VYNE. So as I mentioned here, today they announced a reverse split. So shout out to Captain Caviar, I think was the name. My man, Calamari. I said caviar. Calamari, same thing, right? Foods. So Captain Calamari on the Discord mentioned that today this reverse stock split was announced for VYNE, one of the stock plays that we've been in for a while now. So what does a reverse stock split even mean? All that means is it looks like it's a ratio of 1-for-4. So basically, for every stock that is currently there for VYNE, they want to combine, and basically, instead of diluting shares or making more shares afloat, they're reducing the amount of shares. So it's going from $205 million shares to 51 million shares. And guys, what does that mean? I think that's actually positive news for the company, because again, what they are looking at is, let's increase the value of our stocks, right? So it's going to go from about $260 a share right now. We're going to multiply that by approximately 4, so a little over $10 a share after the reverse stock split goes through. Now, does that mean you're going to actually, every one of your stocks is going to be worth 4 times? Absolutely not. What that means is if you hold 100 shares, instead of 100, you're going to have 25 that are valued at a higher cost or at a higher value. So basically, it's going to be, you're going to have the same amount. You're not going to lose money. You're not going to gain money by any means. But again, that just means that VYNE Therapeutics, they want to have less shares out there for trading and more of a higher price point, which is not a bad thing, because we know what happens with companies. As companies get bigger and bigger, and again, VYNE Therapeutics currently right now at $500 million market cap, they're very young, but they see potential in the future. Because again, we talked about it in the channel, we talked about the things on their pipeline. AMZEEQ, it's already been FDA approved and launched, again, a topical minocycline, and it's a topical foam, which they're less irritative than something like a cream or an ointment. And again, guys, with my pharmacy background, I am a pharmacist and I do practice as a pharmacist. So what I've seen, again, is what I kind of see in practice, and that's why I talk about it in my channel. So Zelixi, so this here just launched Q4 2020. That means that Zelixi, this product here, is now in the market and people are starting to use it. I haven't actually seen it quite yet, but again, just because it's not seen in my local pharmacy, that doesn't mean it's not seen in other pharmacies, which of course, more and more people will slowly realize, yes, this is, as you can see, the 1.5% versus a 4%, it's less potent, which means, potentially less irritative and could be used for more broad applications, which again, for here, the focus is acne pharma. So again, VYNE, the reverse stock split, in my book, I think that this is potentially a good thing for the company, because when we know what typically happens when a company gets too big and the price of their stocks get too high, they do stock splits in the future. So for a company to do a reverse split, they just want to decrease the amount of shares out there, increase the price of the stock to hopefully one day, do a stock split in the future to bring down the price if it runs up. So for me, VYNE, VYNE Therapeutics, I am not looking at a double up, a triple up. I'm looking at 5 times, 10 times potential gains for this one if their products do well in the market. So again, the products that we're talking about are these two here. They have another foam in the making, phase 2 clinical trials, gets approval. That's an additional product for them. More money coming into the company, more revenues will bring more investors will bring the stock price up. So guys, I want you to make sure you keep VYNE on your radar for the more near future. I think right now, if you ask me, again, not financial advice by any means, but what am I going to do tomorrow? First thing when the market opens, I want to increase my shares. Again, we've seen it run down from its peak just this week, $3.26. It's down 18%. So what do we do for companies that we see pull back like this, that we're long on, that we believe in their fundamentals, we believe in their management, we believe in their products? We increase our shares when they pull back. So VYNE Therapeutics, please do your own due diligence on this one, because guys, I think we have a strong winner here. And I'm not saying that lightly. I don't say anything lightly on my channel. I try to pick plays that I truly think have strong potential because they have competitive products relative to what's out there in the market or the standards of care. So again, currently what I see in practice mainly for topicals are clindamycin solutions and things alike for acne. But with the minocycline topical, we see oral minocycline. But again, especially females that are younger, teenage age, and males alike, they don't like taking capsules or pills. So reducing pill burden by allowing topical solutions of these very effective antibiotics for acne and more localized action. That's the other thing we have to understand. So for antibiotic use, chronic oral ingestion of antibiotics can lead to things that we don't like. Again, it disturbs the microbiota and the microflora of the gut, which over time is very detrimental to one's health. Topical is very localized action. We like that in pharmacy. We like that in medicine. Localized means less systemic absorption, which potentially will lead to less side effects. So the fact that they are making this, that they made this product and it's out there, I'm sure we're going to see increases of revenues over time for this company. So don't sleep on VYNE Therapeutics. Guys, I'm just here to put you guys on the place that I'm in. But the other things I want to mention is, our baby that I can't miss on any video, that is Zometica. Just a quick little update. We saw it, guys. The market pulled back quite a bit today, came down to $250 a share. And guys, we're up pretty much 11% from the bottom of the day. So 282. Looks like we're finding, again, that's what I call some strong support for Zometica. $2.5 billion market cap, just about to close. I really think we're going to continue to see it run up. So for anyone who hasn't got in, realize, there's going to be ups and downs. We know that's just part of the game with the stock market. So if you want to buy the dips because you believe in it long term, buy the dips. If you don't, so be it. I'm not mad at you, but don't get angry when March comes around and you're like, man, I missed the boat. But again, guys, as always, be careful in the stock market. Invest at your own risk. But again, I try to put you guys on the plays that have some strong potential, although they are micro cap stocks. So we talked about them, VYNE and Zometica, guys. Just a quick update on that one. But the last thing I want to just touch on just slightly that I want to bring up in my live stream tomorrow. So by the way, tune in if you can, to Sensionics. So Sensionics, again, soon will potentially have FDA approval for a 180-day CGM device. And guys, I don't think this one is one to forget. My friend Dr. Dean went into a lot of detail about it, and I truly think it has some strong potential in the long run. So Sensionics, keep it on your radar. If we see a pullback anymore, I think even right now it's presenting a buying opportunity. We did get in early because of Dr. Dean. Shout out to Dr. Dean, man. I can't say thank you enough for putting me on this one at $1.78. But again, guys, be careful. Look into Sensionics because, again, if you look at it to compare it to its competitor right now in the market, Dexcom, at $1.42 billion market cap, this has room for not to 10x, not 20, but 30 and above. So this is a play that could potentially make millionaires. Now, again, it's a penny stock, it's low cap, bad results, bad news can come out for the company that can make the stock pull back. So again, remember, do your own due diligence, do your own research before you put your money into the stock market. And until next time, everybody, keep investing.